Welcome back to Tapping into Freedom. I'm Maria LiPuma, and today we are exploring how to have more peace with food. Imagine sitting down to a meal and feeling at ease and at peace, knowing that you're listening to your body, knowing that you prepared something or ordered something that will be satisfying and enjoyable to nourish your body, your mind, and your spirit. Imagine being at peace with eating and food. And I know that many of us who've struggled in our relationship to food and weight and body image have struggled with feeling calm and at ease when it comes to sitting down at a meal or even ordering a meal or making decisions about a meal. Maybe you've been bombarded with so many food rules, or maybe you feel a sense of guilt about making certain choices about foods. All of that gets in the way of being at ease with eating a meal. And when you are at ease and feeling peaceful and calm with eating a meal, you're actually allowing your body to be nourished on so many levels. So in this video, I'm going to guide you in a tapping sequence that's going to enable you to start to feel more at ease when you're eating, no matter what it is that you are eating. And this is not about perfection. This is about showing up, practicing. We're going to practice and practice until you feel the shift, until you feel the difference. That's what this life is really about, practicing, coming into alignment with what it is you're truly wanting. So first we start with compassion, because up until now, maybe you have been eating in a place of anxiety and fear and guilt and shame for a variety of reasons. You want to have compassion for yourself, maybe even acceptance of all of those people, places, and experiences that taught you these beliefs and these patterns that are no longer serving you. Once you have acceptance and you're making peace with where you're at, then we can write the new story, which is enjoying a meal with peace and calm, walking away from the meal feeling satisfied and well nourished, and getting on with your life. Start by tapping on the side of the hand. And I'm going to offer words. If they feel aligned with you, please go ahead and repeat them. You might want to just listen and tap. I want you to make this your own practice. Even though up until now, I've really struggled with sitting down and eating a meal in peace. I accept myself. Even though up until now, there's been so much noise in my head and fear in my body when I sit down to eat a meal. And I still accept myself with love and compassion. Even though up until now, it's been a struggle. Today, I'm choosing to take a different approach. And take a deep breath in and let it go. Even though up until now, I've come to the meal with a lot of anxiety, fear, and guilt. Today, I'm choosing to accept myself with love and compassion and begin to write a new story. Even though I feel afraid of approaching this in a new way, Today I choose to accept where I'm at with love and compassion. Even though my mind has been so busy with all kinds of food rules, thoughts, beliefs, fears, and worries when I sit down at the meal, today I'm choosing to make peace with where I'm at, to accept myself with love and compassion, and create a new pattern of being. Wouldn't it be nice to sit down at the meal in peace? Wouldn't it be nice to breathe deeply and prepare myself to eat a delicious meal? Wouldn't it be nice to begin to listen to my body's cues of hunger and satisfaction and to start to honor them? Wouldn't it be nice to eat in peace? Take a deep breath in, let it go. I look forward to eating in peace. I look forward to connect to my breath and my body and feel calm around food and eating. I look forward to nourishing my body, my mind, and my spirit with the eating experience. And I look forward to finishing the meal with satisfaction and appreciation and getting on with my life. Wouldn't it be nice to be appreciative of the food that's available to me? To remind my body that it has the capacity to take in the nourishment from the food and to release what it no longer needs. To heal my relationship to food. To be grateful and appreciative that I have numerous food choices to choose from. And to make peace with what I've chosen to eat. To sit down and allow myself to enjoy it. To eat in peace, trusting my body and my natural instincts to guide me towards health and well-being, releasing the fear, the shame, the guilt, all of those emotions that no longer serve me, so that I can eat in peace. Breathing in and letting go. And as you're tapping, I'm inviting you to close your eyes and see if you can get a picture of yourself actually doing that. Starting to prime your neurology. Seeing yourself sitting down at a meal, smelling the food, looking at it, tasting it, noticing your level of hunger and satisfaction, reminding your body that there's always enough food, and appreciating that you have this time and space to nourish your body. I look forward to eating in peace. I look forward to practicing a new pattern of eating. I look forward to trusting my body and my natural instincts to align with my greatest health and well-being. I look forward to healing my relationship with food, weight, and body image. I don't have to do it perfectly. As I practice, it gets easier and easier. And before I know it, I'm doing it one step at a time, one meal at a time. And if I fall back to old patterns, I simply forgive myself, pick myself up, dust myself off, and get back to the practice. I appreciate knowing that I have everything I need within me to have peace with food and to align with my health and fitness goals. I appreciate myself and my body and all of these opportunities to shift and change the parts of me that are not working so that I can align with my health and well-being. And I'm grateful and appreciative that I'm taking the time today to be the greatest expression of myself. And as you're tapping and breathing, thinking about what that looks like and feels like in your body, creating a muscle memory, shifting in neurology, breathing deeply, knowing that you are aligning more fully with your health and wellness goals. Bring your hands to your heart, take a deep breath in and let it go. Notice how you're feeling in your body. Envisioning yourself doing it is a wonderful practice. The more that you do that, the more it will become the organic next step into doing it in your life. I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. If you need some support, go ahead and book a free strategy call with me. I'd be happy to see if we are aligned and it makes sense for us to work together. As always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.